What is up, you guys? It is Jeff here. Today, tonight, before I go to bed, I want you all to know that I am doing more videos often, because I hope I don't have school tomorrow, so I will be doing more videos. Right now, I want to do a game that we left off, and then that's pretty much it, so I'll be right back. Welcome back, you guys. Tonight we are going to be playing The Visitor Returns. This is where we left off at, and I did turn off the sound and the music because I just want you to know that I will be doing this pretty much until I pass it. And I know we were having troubles the last time, but now since I figured out how to play it, I am going to start playing this game with all of you, and I will be quiet through most of it so you all can hear the sound effects and everything. So let's get this started, shall we? The last time I clicked on that wasn't right. Alright, so here's where we left off, you guys. So we were trying to get this skunk over somewhere to get his food. And I think I can exit out of full screen. So yeah, there we go. So now we all can see. Let's see what happens. Let's see here. We need wood, I think. Oh, so we are building a fire. I just started remembering this. So we need a fire, we need paper, and we need a lighter. Okay, so we got the fire going. How was it going here? What was that? Oh, he tooted. Yeah, no, not for you. And we put this, whatever it is. Oh, get the spider. Ew. Oh, no. What were we supposed to do? Oh. There you are, buddy. Come on back. I'm not letting you get loose that far. Okay, I'm gonna stay quiet now. Okay, so we got the skunk, and we gotta eat it with it. Yeah. Ugh. I look like a monster. Ugh. Okay, we need to go up to that window. Oh, it's gross. Very gross. Okay, so we have a dog, and we have this old man over here. Oh, that dog. Shut up, you stupid dog. That was funny. Okay, so let's figure this out. Eat the scorpion. Ew! This isn't funny. Throw the sausages. Okay.
Get outside.
Aww, poor thing. Happened. Aww, poor thing. I don't want to hurt the doggy. Can I just go back inside? I don't want to hurt him. Well, But why? Why does it have to be sad? How come he did not notice that? And I will leave my accounts that I have for you guys to follow me on. And I hope you all are enjoying this video, even though it's getting kind of grossed out. I don't want it. Why the neck? Fat woman. Okay. Go out here, please. We don't want to get shot to death. Ugh. So gross. But the doggy though. Poor doggy. Poor puppy. Okay, let's head on in. This is where we left off, you guys. Okay, let's try a few things. Do this. Oh. This one. Okay. Okay, so we did suffocation. Let's see if we can do something else. Alright, I'll be right back. Okay guys, I am back. So let's do this. Let's do this. Let's do this. Let's do this. And let's do this one. Ew. Oh, that's just no. Oh, just no. Just no. Okay, so we need to do the rest of these. We got 4 more to do. This is so gross. Her jaw was still there. This one. And this one. Alright, done that one. Okay, so got 3 more to do. Oh, I don't like it. It's so gross. Those are 1 strong jaws to cut off my head like that. I cannot say that long word. I cannot say that word. I cannot say any of these. So let's try another one. Let's do this one. This one. Oh, jaws. Ew. Oh! Give me goosebumps. Oh. Now we have to do this one. Oh, that's gonna be a hard time to do. Okay. Let's do this one. This one. That wasn't it. Okay. Do this. Do that. Just show me! Okay, so it's this. This. That. No, that one didn't work. Okay, so there's gotta be a way. This is not going so well. Okay, so this one. Let's see. This one. Okay, well, at least we figured it out. Okay. Well, I guess that's the end of this video. I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, stab that like button. If you didn't, push the down button. Please subscribe. And I will leave my accounts where you can contact me too. So I hope you all have a great night, and you all have a great tomorrow morning. If you all have school, it's okay if you guys can watch this later. I'll be on YouTube, and I will answer any comments down below. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see all you killers later. Bye bye.